Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones Skullcandy Grind. You have to start by open Skullcandy application, then go to button settings and let's start. So for the single tap for the left earbud, I prefer to take activate phone assistant, but you can put what you want. For the double press, I don't want to change it because I guess it's pretty good. I mean for the left one and right one also. For the triple one, I prefer to take for the left one. I prefer to choose a previous track. And for the right one, I prefer to choose a next track. And for a 1 second hold, I prefer to take a photo. For the left one, I take it for the right one. Yeah, so let's go to the left one and let's take a Spotify tap. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!